Welcome guys to week 4 of the game. Today we're going to be playing Cal, and it will be a conference game. So excited for that. And let's continue straight to the game. Let's go, baby. Hopefully a fun week. Lots of energy from this conference game. And don't know much about Cal, but they look like they have a 5-star offense. Let's kick into the game. Short return. Got possession. 29-yard line. Terrible throw. Surprised it wasn't picked, but we'll take the 1st and 10. Need to make better throws. Hit him on a go, and surprisingly did not break free. Only a 17-yard game. But we'll take that all day. Another 1st down, baby. Now hitting the running back deep. 20-yard gain this time. Still not breaking free. Now we're going to run it ourselves. See what we can do. It's going to have about a 9-yard gain on the play. Good play. Now, surveying. Likes the short option, tries to cut in, but gets absolutely slammed by that safety. Now we're going to hand it off, and it's a touchdown. Perfection again. 2-point conversion is going to be no good. I saw the rushers panicked, just threw it away because that's my instinct. 60-yard field goal is what they missed. Now we gotta go back and score again. 4-yard gain. Pretty solid gain. But now looking deep to Wooden. And Wooden is gonna score at the 5. Touchdown. Perfect. 2-point conversion again. This time it's good. To Wooden. Now, we're not going to pass. We're too slow. Another passing play. Incomplete. They miss another field goal. We're going to hit Wooden deep. Wooden. Maybe to the house. Maybe it makes a mad mess. Cutting across. Touchdown. For Wooden. Barely got across the byline. But he did. 2-point conversion. Just gonna run it with the quarterback. And it is a 2-point conversion scored. 22-0. Missed the tackle and they're going to barely miss. They're going to run it. They're in the front. Keeps it on the road, touchdown, go for 2, but they miss. Passing. 13 yards. Coming up some ankles, didn't break through. Looking for a throw. Got it. 7 yards. And a 2nd and 3. Gonna run it. Got the 1st down. He's out of bounds after 9-yard gain. Looking, accidentally switched on to bullet throw, so it's a really bad throw. And the running back is going to come back and catch that ball hogging a little bit. Doesn't see anything, gonna run it. Up the field. Good job. Surprisingly, I didn't give the 1st down, but it's okay. Jump off to the running back. The wide receiver comes in. It's a touchdown to Gray. Yes, and a 2-point conversion is no good. 28-6. Running back takes it. It's gonna be another touchdown to score. But It's pretty much a ball game because there's 42 seconds left on the clock. And a toe tapper, which was perfect. And the ball slipped. My hand slipped. Looking deep. Wooden. He's gonna go all the way. Wooden. Touchdown. 53 yards. 2-point conversion is good. Perfect. And that's gonna do it with the game. We're gonna move up to 35, which is great. Since had a good game. 319 yards from the quarterback. 177 for Wooden. Sin had one of the best games. Gotta make him more speedy. And then next week versus Maryland at week 5. Minnesota after that, so see you guys next week.